Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can repost on TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on your screen, where you can see your icon at bottom right corner, just down below the favorite option, icon. Just tap over there and now you can see repost option at left side shown in the screen. So once you tap over there, you will be able to repost it successfully. So basically this is how you can repost on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.